Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today I think I'm just going to do a flip cup. I'm just going to use up some colors that I've had mixed up for a while and just random it. Just see what we can come up with. I've put my pillow paint down, which is, tricorn black from Color to Go. And it is, it's got something in it. Sorry, I was looking to see if that was something, a glare, or no, I think it looks like a little goober already. Of course, it wouldn't be Creations by Kristey without a little goober. So, okay, so I've got that, and that's from Sherwin-Williams. And we're just going to start kind of throwing some colors in.
Sunset slow, hey, you know you should stay for the night. What you think, one more drink while we sit by the bonfire. Cause this might be love, it's a feeling that I can't get rid of. So just take my hand, cause you know I don't wanna play pretend. Stay with me, take a chance, baby, roll the dice. Gotta give me some love, cause when I'm with you, I'm in paradise. You know how to make me feel alive. Gotta give me some love, nah, nah. Gotta give me some love, nah, nah, nah. Gotta give me some love, nah, nah, nah. You gotta give me some love, nah, nah, nah. Gotta give me some love, nah, nah, nah. Let's go! the count the score. Baby, the only thing that matters is that my love for you never dies. And one thing you can be sure of, honey, you know I'm not telling lies. I'm not telling lies. No, I never lied to you, baby girl. out of gold. She says she likes it better when we go off-road. Yeah. I'm gonna make it worth your while. I'm gonna make it worth your time. Gonna make it worth your while. When she's with me, we're like superstars. Windows roll down, radio on. I think we could go far. We don't need money. We can skip that part. All I want is her to be with me. She's got a ticket to my heart. The sky is blue, I got the sun in my eyes. It can't get better than when she makes that smile. Yeah, she's got that style that makes you think she's made out of gold. She's turning up the volume on the radio. Yeah. I'm gonna make it worth your while. I'm gonna make it worth your time. I'm gonna make it worth your while. When she's with me, we're like superstars. Windows roll down, radio on. I think we could go far. We don't need money. We can skip that part. All I want is her to be with me. She's got a ticket to my heart. Ticket to my heart. Uno, dos, tres, yo. again. Tell me, when does it end? My heartbeat calls your name. Covered by the starlight, it's alright.
Here she is. Tell me what you think in the comments. I appreciate all of you being here and for all of your love and support. If you have any questions, leave them there as well. You know, I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you all for being here. I hope you guys have a great day or great night. And I will just see you guys on the next one. Love you guys. Bye.